The rings. Are they finished? Wait for it. Wait for what? Captivating.
It is a pattern. Do you not see? A cycle. Repeating itself at intervals throughout the day. And there is more. Here. Look. The embers.
Celebrimbor, whatever so inspired this epiphany, I assure you we have not the time for it.
On the contrary. We would appear to have all the time we need. The candles have not burned an inch all day.
You sought peace. I gave it to you.
No. Whatever this is hardly a gift. What have you done to me?
Done to you? You welcomed my instruction. You practically begged for it. Now, a mouse scurries by and you fly to pieces. Listen to yourself.
No, what have you done to me? No emissary of the Valar would do this. Who are you?
I am the one keeping the storm at bay. Balancing the very sun above your head. All to give you this one chance. To prove your worth. Now, I want the 9! No!
What is this?
I have learned so much from you since I came to Eregion. But no lesson more lasting than this.